Hi, I'm Jennifer McCurry from Marissa Collections. Today I want to talk to you about spoiling mom. Today she's become our hero. She's cooking, she's cleaning, she's teaching school, she's wearing so many hats. So why not spoil her with a wonderful gift? I've come up with some of my favorites. First is LA-based jewelry designer Sydney Evans. She makes these bright, colorful gemstone bracelets with meaningful charms. A hamsa, an eagle eye, or a little heart. I also love the perfect diamond necklace from Chicago-based jewelry designer Dana Rebecca. It's wonderful to stack with your other jewelry pieces, and you can also wear it at night all by itself. Another good friend of mine, Hassan Bunkit, is out of New York. What I love about his earrings is they come in every color and every shape. If you know me, I'm a button girl. I'm loving these pink mother of pearl, amethyst, and topaz earrings. They also come in a smaller size. If you want to give your mom something extra special this year, how about an Irene North one-of-a-kind necklace? The one that I'm wearing is hand-carved and made in tourmaline. Another gift that I'm loving this year is a locket from Monica Rich Casson. They come in 18 karat gold or sterling silver. You can have your kids do a little piece of artwork. You send it in to us. We print it out and then insert it into the locket. How cute is that? Time's up on our Marissa Minute. See you next time, and happy Mother's Day.